Hi guys, we're at Mintholme Level crossing and whatever we can. That bother on where it is, which is a bit creepy. This is weird. I'd like to point something out, unless this is controlled separately. If I zoom in all the way down there, the crossing over there is still up and it's coming from that way, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, while I zoom out, the time's 20:46 on the 30th of July 2016. And I just had a phone call, sorry. And this is around 20:55, which is early because we're further out. 6 Zulu 74, Western Railways, Great Western Railway, whatever it is, Railway, West Coast Railway service. From, from Milford down Sidings to Carnforth, Steamtown. And it's apparently a diesel. But there are other people up further up the line to see it.
Is there something special coming through?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a West Coast Railways service. Diesel hauled.
When's that due?
Now.
Now.
Unless I'm getting confused and it is going the other way. Might be. That crossing is definitely still up. It can't be coming yet. The problem is that crossing's up and there's a green just behind the hedge for it. You've got nothing over there. And we're 1 minute in. Still up. There it goes, it's going down now. I'll be there next. That means it must be coming from behind me and I've got to turn around wrong. Back there, nope. That must be coming this way and that must be controlled by a different signal probably. Or it is the same one, you just forgot to lower it. Yeah, here it is. Oh no, it is steam. Yeah, it is steam. It said diesel on the thing, but it's steam. Just like Brumfield all over again. Looks like it's on its own now. Looks like it's got one carriage. And we have 45,690. 45,690. And up we go. And off it goes round the corner. I'll see you in the next video.